Everyone, welcome to the MOAC YouTube channel, and this is Jessy. So today I'm going to show you how to connect to the MOAC main chain. This video is for all of you who are interested in learning about this project, or hopefully in future want to write some DApps for it, since MOAC is designed for DApps. And if you're not as familiar with MOAC yet and want to get a rough idea of what it is, I encourage you to simply search MOAC technology in YouTube and watch our introduction video so that you can have a better idea of what it is. All right, let's get started. As I just mentioned, today we're talking about connecting to MOAC's main chain. So here are the topics that we're covering for today. Download from website, connect to the main chain, create account, and finally transactions. So in order to download the package that we will need to use, we need to go to the main website of MOAC, which is moac.io, so moac.io. Now, if you scroll all the way down to the white paper section, you should see different packages that you can download for their corresponding machines, and you can download those to the machines and use it to connect to MOAC. Now, if you're a hardcore developer, you should probably go to the releases on GitHub, where it shows you all the history of the releases. So yeah, here. And by the way, as you probably have known, MOAC has a multi-layer structure, so it has got a main chain and subchains. The nodes that are used on the main chain are vNodes, and the nodes used on subchains are called SCS. SCS is the abbreviation of Smart Contract Servers. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you can see that the latest stable release is the Pengu 0.8.2 release, and this is actually the one that I'm gonna use to show you today. With these packages, you should be able to connect to MOAC main chain. So here it has got packages for 3 kinds of operating systems. Since I'm using a Windows, I'm gonna show you the one for Windows, and the other ones should be very straightforward and similar. So let's go ahead and download it. After opening the packages we downloaded and extracted, we can see there's 1 folder and 4 files in it. We will use the executable MOAC to connect to MOAC. And there is a README file that has all the procedures you might need. So we can open this on the side. All right, in order to connect to the main chain, you first need to open up a terminal. So it goes here. Yeah. And we need to get to the folder that contains MOAC. So let's type in the address here. All right. Now from the README file here, we can see that to seek help, we would need to use MOAC help. So let's try it out. So type in MOAC help. All right. And it's gonna list all the options we have. But today we're just gonna go over the very basic as connecting to the mainnet. So connecting to the mainnet is pretty easy actually. All you need to do is type MOAC here. So let's type in MOAC here. And there we go. We're now connected to the mainnet. It has gotten a P2P network. And you want to copy this file here. So yeah, because the IPC file is very important for you to connect to the mainnet. Since the screen here is going to show you all the logs from the blockchain, we will need to open up a new console to interact with the chain. There are actually 2 ways to open up a console. One, you can do MOAC and then console, so you can share the screen with the logs in the console. But if you want a clean console, what you can do is that you can do a MOAC and then attach and use the IPC file I just copied So in this way, you can have a clean console window. So I'm gonna open up a new window here. And I need to also go to the same directory where we have the MOAC downloaded. So let's type in the address here. And then we can do a MOAC attach and MOAC attach, and then we can paste the files here. We just copy it. And now you're connected to the mainnet. Once you're on the mainnet from the console, you can interact with it. So we can do a MC.block number to see the block numbers. So type in MC.block number with a capital N. All right, it's already there. You can see it like it's the numbers there. And something else you can do is that you can actually see all the commands under MC. So we can type in MC. Yeah, like this. You can explore that more later. But the very first thing you should do here, if this is the first time you connect to the MOAC mainnet, is that you want to create an account. So this account is basically the address you should use for everything. And in order to check the accounts, we can do this. All right, I already have 4 accounts created. But if you've never had one, you can always make a new account by typing personal new account. So personal.new account with a capital A. Yeah. And it's gonna create an account for you, but you need to set the password. So I'm gonna create my own password. It's not gonna show anything here, but you gotta confirm it like a second time. So yeah. Now a new account is created, and use this account, you can actually do a lot of things.